Yeah. I was built for this pressure, man. I live for this.
Let it rain on me. Take away this pain and misery.
Yeah. I was always told you can't miss what you never had. The whole way I carry myself, my posture is just sad. Even though I'm a subliminal criminal, these tears in my eyes seem to blur up my visual. And I don't wanna meet the devil, so I think twice. My life is a gamble like the roll of a dice. Baptized in blood, a young thug, weathering a storm without a form of love. Praying to the Lord, asking why it always rain on me. And people who seem to care always change on me. So I'm back in the darkness, holding my pistol regardless. On my knees asking God why I'm heartless. I just wanna eat good and sleep where it's warm. I'm trying to stay calm while I'm pacing through the storm. So I see that it's gonna be a long night. This is reassurance that everything gonna be alright.
Let it rain on me. Take away this pain and misery. I know one day I'm gonna make it.
We gon' make it.
But I gotta be strong.
Gotta be strong, man. Let me ask you something. Can you envision the pain? Never had motivation, so I'm living insane. Never leave the crib without my gun, hoping the Lord to forgive me for the shit I done. It isn't fun, I repent cause a nigga ain't dumb. Forgiving of my sins when the last days come. Trying to ascend to heaven, to a new better place. The world make me feel ugly like I need a better face. But that's the way of the world, the way of my life. Checking in with the heavens, am I living it right? I'ma keep it real with y'all, I'm tired of sinning. While we think we winning, the devil down there grinning. So it's gotta be another way. Sleeping in the rain till the next sunny day. Damn, trying to find my way with my hand feeling through the dark. This is some real shit, words bleeding from my heart.
Let it rain on me. Take away this pain and misery. I know one day I'm gonna make it. We gon' make it. But I gotta stay strong and weather the storm.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil. The rain gon' come, the pain gon' come, but I'ma stand like a man through it all. Yeah, it's all real, man. It's my life.
I'm sad cause I look around, yeah, and all I see is turmoil and death. I feel as if there's nothing left to hold on to, yeah. Now my spirit's dying and my soul is crying for a peace of mind, yeah. My heart is aching from this superficial paradise. Oh. And the more I live day to day, it makes me realize, yeah, that I can't let go of my dreams.
Let it rain down on me, yeah. Let it rain.